Here is a walkthrough of the Mercedes from the engine perspective, underneath and above. We have the defroster is on to have the air conditioner come on. As you see at first glance, it does have a brand new battery. The bottle looks a little dirty, but the fluid does appear to still have its original color to it. The AC compressor is working. It is on. I don't see any kind of drips on this side or leaks. This side I see an alternator. Looks like it's been fairly new and replaced. There's the number. Don't see anything on this side that even resembles it dripping anywhere. Let's take a look underneath. There's not much of anything. I did not wipe anything off. I did not touch anything. Everything looks really good. Let's get the back half of it. Just to show there is no rot, there is very little rust at all for this year. Alright, and now the very back of the vehicle. Like I said, light surface rust, nothing spectacular. And this side. Alright, and that's the Mercedes.